Okay, sure. Question 3, yeah. They say the first 3 terms of a geometric series are 3, 2, and then they say 3.1. Explain why the series is convergent.
Yes,
Yeah, why is the series convergent?
because R is between
But
minus
you're supposed to
1
calculate
and
R first. Ne? What is R?
R is 2/3.
It's 2 all over 3. Yeah, you calculate R and then you give us the reason. What is the
Yes,
reason?
R is between minus 1 and 1.
So R is greater than minus 1, but R is less than 1. Ne? They will give us a mark for that. Sharp. 3.2.
But calculate the sum to infinity of the series.
Yeah.
And then sum to infinity, A over A over 1 minus R.
Okay. What is A?
A is 3.
A is 3. 1 minus. What is R?
2/3.
What did you get as the answer?
9.
9.
Yes.
Okay, we give you 1 mark for substitution and 1 mark for the final answer. Ne? Okay, let's go to the next one. This one is the one that gave us a problem.
Mr.
Oh, yes, I'm listening.
Mr.
Huh?
It's Mr.
Yes,
Number 1, 3.1 is wrong.
3.1 is wrong.
Yeah, short. So basically, there's no mark
Why?
because you did not substitute 3 over 2.
Oh, they are there. No, you see here they were asking us why is the series convergent? And then we already have an R.
Yes.
This one and this one, like you see, that is why I said to them, let's calculate this one. I think we said this one is 3 all over 2. And then I went on to say, but this one, we can have something like this. We can have minus 1 is greater than R. So maybe I missed just to be safe on the exam, but I looked at the marks. Even
you gave us a wrong.
Yeah?
The memo says you have to substitute the R there, and you gave us a wrong.
Oh, we have to substitute.
Yes.
Oh, so we need to do it like this. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So we're going to say 2 all over 3 is going to be between minus 1 and 1. Then we'll get 1 mark for that. Okay, thank you for that. No, Khoto says he has an appetite for this one, but should we give it to him?
Yes.
Okay. Khoto, you are next.
So, ladies and gentlemen, 3.2, they say express sum to infinity minus sum of n, a sum of n in the form a times b to the power of n again. Now we're going to tell them more sum to infinity minus Sn.
And the other thing that Linus could have done, I think just tell us what is this one. And then you tell us, okay, this one is 9. But you don't know, you don't have Sn. So you look for Sn. Because some of the things you just have to get marks along the way, even if you don't get to the final answer. So Sn.
Sn is equal to A or Rn minus 1 all over R minus 1. Our A is 3. Then R is going to be 2 over 3. To the power of n minus 1. Close bracket all over 2 over 3. Minus 1.
And then we're supposed to use the other one because, but it's fine. Because we're supposed to use the one of 1 minus
R.
Yeah. But because let's see which you don't have that much of an effect.
Why are we supposed to use
if the R is less than we use this one if R is bigger than
1.
Is bigger than 1. Yeah, it makes our life simple. Not to say which it will be wrong. But the reason why you saw on your information sheet you have two
mistake. What you're saying was that this thing is applicable to good series instead divergent.
Yeah, this one it works best. Okay, man, let's do it. It's fine. So
No,
you,
we've been doing it.
yeah, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. That's why I'm saying which you know. Just to make agree you to avoid the negative here. If you subtract this one, you're going to be left with a negative.
Yes,
So how would you have avoid this negative? You could have said it's 1 minus,
yes.
and then we would have had a positive answer. Okay, what did you do from here?
Oh, okay. I said, then I did them both simultaneously at the same time.
So you had 9
Minus
minus, let's
3
write this one. It's 3
into 2,
open bracket
2/3
2 all over 3
to the power of n minus 1.
minus 1 close
Then
bracket
come fast, you are going to automatically having negative 1/3.
negative 1 all over 3.
Yes. Now I did the boy,
Yeah, you did.
the boy tie, what one?
Yeah,
Sure.
you did the boy tie.
It's your list. Yes, yeah, nice.
Okay, so you did boy tie.
Yes.
And then if you say this multiply by, what did you get?
-9. I had -3, so
Negative 3
yes.
minus,
Now I folded the 3 inside.
huh?
I folded 3 inside the brackets. I'm going to have -3. I multiply the 3 inside.
What did you do?
And then, okay, let's just take it. I'm going to like the next step. So having -3.
We're having negative 3, this
Yes.
one.
No, I get it. It's -1/3 multiplied by 9. It's my time method.
But you still have minus 1 over 3 in the
Yes,
denominator.
yes, I know.
So you are basically you are saying we're adding here. So we have
Yes.
minus 1 over 3. Because I want you to understand this is an expression.
Oh,
We
yeah.
can't just multiply with
Yes,
it.
I'm thinking, yeah.
Okay. So this is all over, English.
Yes.
This one is going to be minus 3.
Then it's going to be minus
Okay, it's minus
3
multiplied
by 3/2.
multiplied by
3/2.
it's 2 all over 3.
2/3 n to the power of n. This is gone. Shinik. Ish.
Santana marudillo anga chinguma.
Who's that?
Wow.
Divided.
Okay, let's continue. You're saying we have what? Minus
3 and then close bracket to the power of n minus 1.
of n minus 1. Close
Yes.
bracket, yeah?
Yes. Now, if we foil in the 3, we're going to have -3.
If we foil,
I multiplied in the 3.
if you multiply the 3.
Yes.
Same step. When I was starting with paper 2. Ngathi kufuna ukuphuma ehlanganweni yabo.
Okay. So we should have you wanted us to multiply throughout, huh?
Yes. So we're going to have
You didn't think about taking out the negative as a common factor. Doesn't work. I think there's a 3. If you take out 1 3 as a common factor.
So we're going to have, I didn't think about it, but let's do it that way and see.
You
If
have
it got there, we're going to have
minus
-1, negative
minus
3/2. 2/3, sorry.
2 all over 3 to the power of n minus 1
Just bracket.
all over
Yes.
minus 1 all over 3.
Yes, Mr. Another bracket here because it seems like that thing affects only 2/3.
Oh, it affects both of them.
Yeah.
So there's a bigger bracket here.
Yes.
Okay. But it's
Okay. And then I'm sure with this one and this one, they should be something between these two.
9.
It's 9.
9.
It gives us 9 again.
-9.
So we didn't do anything if it gives us 9. Because we started with 9 originally.
But one needs to cancel out. It's sharp.
So we have 9.
Yeah.
Negative
-9.
9.
Yes, negative.
Open bracket. And then we have this one. So we have -1. Negative and a positive. It gives us minus open bracket 2 all over 3 to the power of n
Yes.
plus 1.
Yes.
Close bracket.
Yes.
And then this all over is this one. Is this 9?
Yes, it's going to be
So-
positive.
So we have this one and this one is positive.
Yeah, positive 9 and
And
2/3.
So your
Positive.
answer is going to be 9
Yeah,
multiplied by
open by
2 all over 3 to the power of n.
Then not done.
This is the final answer.
Yeah.
I think there's the simplest way to do this. If I'm looking at the because
Yes.
we did the 9 and then there was no need for us to do the 9 and try to not do it again. Food.
Yes.
You have a bite for it.
I saw it somewhere. It's not my thing, so like I don't think I should present something that didn't come up. That I didn't come up with.
Chairman. Chairman.
Mr.
Yes.
You should know that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Uncle.
Oh,
Chairman, yes, I'm
let me
listening.
do it.
The last question.
Yeah.
What the last question? Na ka substitute same time mistake substitute la mo like fitla go mafelong.
But we is
Mr.
there
Let me
anything
share the
different that you
screen.
did from Khotso there?
Yes, it's something different that Khotso did, Mr.
Oh, okay, we'll check it. We still have and then let me check offense. Offense.
Mr.
Yes, offense.
Sir,
Yes, I'm listening.
abaro wena chief. MSD.
Sure,
Mo
offense.
mafelong mo.
Eh?
Anyere le ntshitse common fact.
I can't hear you.
Le ntshitse common factor na.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let's check this method which how did Amu do it, and then we'll decide from there which do we need to change. So what did you have? The SN is still fine. I think we know what is SN. So SN
Yes.
is given as it's
I know.
it's 3 open bracket.
2 over 3.
This one is 2 all over 3 to the power of n minus 1.
Yeah.
Close bracket. All over. We have, you said this one is minus 1 all over 3. This one is fine. Okay. Then now
Minus 1 over 3.
yeah.
Yes.
We have sum infinity minus Sn. So sum to infinity, we say this is 9. English. Minus. You have 3. Oh, if you want to do it vice versa, we can still do it vice versa. We can say, yes.
Yes.
We can have 1 minus. We can have 1 minus, and then we have 2 all over 3 to the power of n. All over 1 all over 3.
Minus. No. 1 minus 2 over 3. It's the same thing, Maria. So
Yeah, the other one is going to have, this thing is going to, you see with this one, the thing is negative. With the formula, R,
Yes.
with R. This one, the R is, this thing on the denominator is going to be positive. That's the only difference. And then inside your brackets here, the things are going to change.
Yes.
Which one do you want us to use? Huh?
And then after writing that thing,
Yeah.
I punched 3 all over 1 over 3 and then give me 9.
Oh, this part here.
Yes.
So you have 9 minus 9 open bracket. 1 minus
minus, yes.
2 all over 3
2 over
to the power
3.
of n. Like this. No?
Yes. Yes. And then I took 9 as a common factor.
Take out 9 as a common factor. You have 1 minus open bracket. No?
Yes.
Okay, that one.
1
minus 2
yes.
all over 3 to the power of n. Close bracket.
Then,
okay.
And then the negative affected the bracket inside.
This one multiplied by this one multiplied by this one.
Yes.
So you had 9 open bracket, it's 1 minus 1.
Yes, plus. Yes.
2 all over 3
2 over
to the power of n.
3 to the power of n. Yes. And those two cancel each other.
Oh.
Then 9 multiplied by 2 over 3 and to the power of n. Yes.
Chairman, if you do it different from this.
Yes, Mr.